Hello everyone, welcome to Target 45. Today we are going to solve few problems which are useful for logical tech interviews. These questions could be asked in the form of MCQs or in the interviews. So let's solve these problems today. If you still have not subscribed to Target 45, subscribe to Target 45. If you see, there is a class called Simple Problems class. These are simple programs, but understanding them is also very important. So we will solve one after the other and will understand the basic concepts very well. So if you see, there are empty methods. Under each empty method, there is some description about each of the method. Basically, the execution of the program starts here. We take the number from the user, and then we have a set of continuous print statements where this is the class, and using that method we are calling each method on the class. So we have nearly 1, 2, 3, 6 such methods, and we are calling each method like this: class name dot method, and we are passing number as a parameter. And we are just using simple loops where we are creating a class and we are writing methods inside the class. So first we'll solve the first method, where which is digit sum is even or odd. Basically we have digits. If we take this number 23 as an example, what we will do is we'll find the sum of 23, and for that sum we'll check if it is even or odd. So let me write digit sum. For digit n, see, we are converting the number to string so that we can take each digit in an easy format. This is an easy way where we can easily get the number from, we can easily get the digit from the number. So we'll take each digit and we need to convert the digit to integer back, and we can simply use a sum function like this, and we can calculate the sum of the digits. And once we have the sum of the digits, we need to check if this digit underscore sum modulo division 2 is equal to 0. We have to return even, else we have to return odd. And next up, we are solving is perfect number, is perfect square. We have already solved a problem which is perfect number as part of day 28 coding series. If you have missed it, please go back and complete it. So for perfect square, what we'll do is, let's say we have 16. Perfect 16 is a perfect number, I mean perfect square, because we can get 4 square which is 16. In the same way, 9 is a perfect square because 3 square is 16. So we need to code for this. So what we are saying, we need to find the root of the number basically, and if we multiply that root, then we'll get the, if we multiply the root with the root, we'll get the number. So basically I am finding the root of the number. If this root into root equal to number, we have to return true, else we have to return false. So in this way we have solved is perfect square problem. So next up we'll solve the digital root problem. So for digital root, if you see, let's say we have a number 987. So the sum of these numbers is 9 plus 8 plus 7 24, and We'll find the sum of 24 again, which is 2 plus 4. We'll get 6. So we understood that the number has to be greater than or equal to 10, because we'll find the sum of the digits until it becomes a single digit. We'll find the sum of the numbers until it becomes a single digit. So it has to be, number has to be greater than or equal to 10. If it is less than 10, then we don't need to, that is a single digit only. What we'll do here, for digit in string, we are converting that to string so that we will get the number. And we again need to convert the digit to integer, and we'll have to find the sum, and we'll have to return the number. So in this way we have solved this problem also, which is digital root problem. This is very simple. This number will be continuously decreasing. We'll find the sum and the number will be continuously decreasing. At one point of time, we'll get a number where it will be definitely less than 10, and when the number is less than 10, it will return the number simply. So next up we'll solve the happy number problem. So in the happy number problem, what we'll do is, we need to, let's say we have a number 19. We need to find the we need to square the each digit, and we have to sum each digit, and we'll get a number. And for every number we get, we need to do the same process until it reaches 1. So if you see here, like for 19, the sequence is 1 square plus 9 square, which is 82. And for 82 again, we'll have to find 8 square plus 2 square, which is 68. And for 68, 6 square plus 8 square, which is 100. For 100, it is 1 square plus 0 square, which is 1. So 19 is a happy number. So let's solve this. So we will be using a set data type here, because if this sequence is coming in a repeated format, then we have to return false. It is not a happy number clearly. That is why if number not equal to 1, this is a condition. If number not equal to 1, if number in scene, then we have to return false. Otherwise we have to add that number to the scene. So we are doing this because in order to check if the sequence is repeating, if the numbers is continuously repeating and the sequence is continuously repeating. So after this we have to write a statement where we have to find the sum of the digits. Basically we have to write a for loop for digit in string number. We have to convert this digit back to integer, and we have to find the square. So in this way we are adding exponential square here. So for each digit we are finding the square, and after finding the square we are finding the sum of all the digits and we are adding it. And this will execute until while is not equal to the number is not equal to 1. And if the number is in scene, it will return false because the sequence is repeating and it is clearly not a happy number. If it is not the case, here we have to return true, which says it is a happy number. You try taking different examples and try to solve this happy number problem. You can easily understand it. And next up, we'll find the sum of squares. For sum of squares, it is very simple. We simply need to copy paste one simple line from the above program. So, which is this and this. I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Instead of true, we have to return this number because we are finding the square of the number in the above program, above method basically, not program. Let's copy paste the same here in the next method also. Here we are doing the cubes instead. For cubes, what we need to do, we need to change the exponential power to 3 instead of 2. So we'll write 3 here. Let's run it. So let's take the number as 12, which is even. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 is odd. So the first one is working correctly and is perfect number. Then 12 is not a perfect number. That is true. Digital root. What is digital root? 1 plus 2, 3. We'll get 3. Correct. Is it a happy number? No, it's not a happy number. 1 square plus 2 square is 1 square is 1 plus 4, 5. And 5 is not a happy number. Happy number is something we need to get 1. If it is getting 5, it's not a happy number. And the next one is sum of squares. We have taken 12, and for 12, 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, which is 5. And sum of cubes, 1 square plus 2 cube is 8, 9. So in this way, this is working fine, and we need to understand the basic problems in order to solve the big complex problems. These kind of simple problems can be asked in MCQs. These are a bit tricky, but having a good understanding on simple programs is also important. So we solved this today. That's it for today. Thank you. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Thank you.